So Arvind,
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
so today topic is vendor master data.
Vendor master data.
So totally we have 5 types of master data.
Okay sir.
Okay. So first one is material master. Second one is vendor master. Third one is purchase info record. Second one is source list. Last one is quota arrangement. Okay. So
Okay.
today we are going for vendor master data.
Vendor master data. Okay.
So what is vendor master data? Any idea?
Vendor master data. Mm, no sir. No sir.
Just compare to material master data. Any guess or any answer from your end? What is vendor master data? Why it called master data?
Sir, materials. No sir. Still.
See, you just divided into two parts. One is vendor, another one is master data.
Master data. Okay.
Okay. What is data means? Master data means it is a type of information, okay, which is stored.
Okay.
What type of information means? It's
Material.
vendor
Vendor.
related information.
Okay.
So vendor related information stored in a type of data. Okay.
Okay sir. The type of data. Vendor related.
All the vendor related information. So I will give a one guess. Okay, what vendor information? I can tell vendor name. Any other vendor related information means at least what are the things it will come to your mind. I will give
So
a one guess as a vendor name.
vendor product sir.
Already that is we can maintain in material master. Product
Okay.
all
Okay.
related things we maintain in the material master data. What are the vendor information?
One second, sir.
Just guesses because I given vendor name I can store. Apart from that, if you want,
Vendor location, sir.
okay, I can take it as vendor address.
Okay, vendor address.
Okay, only this much is enough to do the transaction with vendors.
No, sir.
If I have in name and address, you can give the delivery.
Vendor bank or payment, sir.
Obviously, I can say bank details
Okay, okay, sir.
because once if you received, you have to do the payment, right?
Payment, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Another one you told transaction.
Okay, okay.
So I can make
The,
tax details.
okay, sir.
Any other points?
Mm,
So now I have your name, address, bank details, tax. Okay, name and address, so I can deliver the
de-
PO and I will pay the amount.
delivery, sir. Can we add delivery, sir?
Delivery means vendor address.
No, no.
I can say
Vendor.
delivery time,
Okay, delivery time. Okay.
right? You can't delivery within 24 hours or within means I have to say that he requires some time, right, for delivering the goods.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So apart from that, also there is some few points. Okay,
Okay, sir.
like
Okay.
communication address. He
Okay,
required.
sir.
See,
Communication
address is
address.
a physical address.
Okay,
Where
okay.
it is office or where it is the particular warehouse or whatever may be.
Okay.
Communication address means is mail ID, phone number.
Right, sir.
Okay. And one more thing is any other?
That's it,
We
sir.
can say currency because if your organization is dealing with domestic or international currencies varied, right?
Yeah, yeah, sir, exactly. Dollars and INR.
Okay. Then payment terms. What is payment terms?
Either
Means you have
advance
three
payment
vendors. Yeah, yeah.
or
Tell me.
either advance payment or delivery after material.
Yes, right. Payment terms, you have three vendors. For one vendor, you are accepting for 10 days. Within 10 days, you will make the payment. Means your organization will make the payment. For another vendor, you will take 30 days. Okay. For another vendor, you will give advance payment or down payment. Once the goods you received, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in that time only you will give the payment. Otherwise, once the PO is raised, that vendor is accepting the advance payment. Once if you
Okay.
get a payment, then only you will deliver. So it will come on the payment terms. So these are the things, right?
Yes, sir.
So what I will do in SAP system, okay? In SAP system, when you are creating this vendor,
Okay.
it divided into three parts or three sections.
Okay.
I can say general data. Okay. Another one is company code data.
Sir, communicator company.
Sorry, company. Third one is purchase organization data.
Okay.
Means why this is divided into three section is, see, this vendor name, vendor address, I can shift to the general data.
Okay.
General, right? Vendor
Okay. Okay.
name, address, phone number, email ID. I will take this to here. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is
Okay.
general vendor general data. What is vendor general data? Means name, address, communication address, where he is staying and
General
where,
data. Okay.
these are the things. Then what is company code data? Okay.
Okay,
Now
sir.
what is
Company
company code data? Means the data which is
transaction, sir.
related to
Transaction.
transactions. Yes. Like
Transaction.
bank details, tax details. Okay.
Okay.
And another one in the financial term they will call withholding tax.
What, sir? What is that?
Withholding tax.
Okay, withholding tax.
Okay, so these are all taken care by finance. Okay, I will show in the system, but this will segregated in the company code data. Got it? Any confusion?
No, 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 sir.
We have list of details, right? Master data details.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What are the data means? Again, it's a vendor name, address, withholding. But in
We
SAP,
are segregating relevant fields in vendor data, right, sir?
sorry.
We are segregating all relevant
Yeah,
fields
now I am
to
segregating. In SAP, we have the option to segregate based
segregate.
on
Yes, sir.
general data. General data means vendors basic information.
Okay, okay, sir.
So what are the basic information is, normally general means name itself telling, right? General.
General, yes, sir.
Vendor name, address, communication address, cross, etc. etc. Okay. Coming to company code data, what are the transactions like bank details, withholding tax details, they tax something. Okay, apart from that, dunning procedure. These are all financial terms. Okay,
So what is
dunning
dunning procedure,
procedure
sir?
means, sorry,
What is dunning procedure, sir?
it's an financial term. Okay, they
Okay.
will they will inform the vendor regarding means once if your organization is not making the payment. Okay,
Okay.
in this
Okay.
30 days, okay, within 10 days or 30 days, they are not making the payment,
Okay,
then
sir.
the organization received the mail. Means you are not making the payment on this date. Please make this payment as early as possible.
Okay, 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 sir.
So this is all come under company code data.
Okay, okay.
Okay, final one is purchasing data. Okay, purchasing data. Apart from that, something GR based. I will tell you one more example. GR based verification. Okay. And another one is return vendor. information control key. These are
Okay.
all under the vendor master data, purchase organization data. What
Data.
is GR based verification? Means we have an
Goods
option.
receipt.
Okay, in goods receipt based verification, okay, in the master data we have an option. We have to tell that system for this particular vendor based on the GR based verification. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
GR based verification, and parallelly we will come, means based on with reference to GR based verification, we will do the make the payment and all these things.
Okay, okay, understand, sir.
So GR based verification means any goods which is received from this vendor, okay, you make GR based, means goods received. What are the quantities you received? Okay, that is
Okay,
called goods receipt, right? Once if you receive the quantity to your plant, you
okay,
make the goods receipt. Based on the
yeah,
goods receipt only, the next further steps like payment or something, it will be happened to this vendor.
okay, sir, okay,
So return vendor, thus we will tell the system once any something will happen, damage or as per our quality it is not standard,
okay, then we'll return it to vendor.
we will send this. So is capable means return vendor. We have to just tick that return vendor.
Okay, okay,
Okay, confirmation control key. Okay, what is that
okay,
confirmation control key means? Once your organization is raised the purchase order, okay, it
okay,
will
sir,
reach to vendor, right? Finally, it will reach to vendor.
vendor.
Okay. Once if you select the confirmation control key in the vendor master data,
Okay, sir,
okay, vendor have to be send a some confirmation.
okay, sir,
Means I am sending these routes. If you not maintain, it is okay. But once if you
okay,
tick it means you are telling that vendor once if you are received the PO, okay, while
okay, okay,
sending the goods, you send the information.
okay, sir, okay,
So this all relate come to purchase. Apart from that, so many things will come. We will come. We will see in the SAP screen.
okay,
Okay.
okay, sir,
So
okay, sir.
main here is we will segregate this vendor master data into three sections. One is general data, company code
Company
data,
code data and purchase organization
purchasing
data.
organization data. General data you are come to know that it's all general information.
Okay,
Company code, the name only suggests company code data means like withholding tax, bank details, tax details, so many things will come. But this part will take care for finance end.
okay, okay, sir.
So our more active area is purchase organization data. We will, as a consultant, you have to take more action on this particular section. Means first one and third one.
Okay, okay.
Any doubts?
No, sir, no, sir.
Company code data, we will take care finance.
Finance. In purchase organization, consultant will come, right, sir?
Yes, finance
Okay.
consultant. Yeah. Can I
Okay.
move?
Okay. Sorry, sir?
Can I move?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, when you come to SAP system,
Hmm.
okay, now you have to first create the vendor, right?
Yes, sir.
So for creating the vendor, we have a transaction code. Means two types we can do the we have to create. One is through easy access.
Okay.
By easy access means the end user will go for particular path they will create. Otherwise, we can go through T code. T code we will use it consultant again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
two
sir.
ways also it's same or final the destination is same, but two ways
Okay.
also
Okay.
it means two way you can go to that particular T code. Here easy access way also you can go and get that T code, or you can
Okay.
directly enter in the T code. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
what are the T codes we have to perform during the creation? First, obviously we have to create a vendor, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you are creating a vendor, first step is create vendor xk01. Got it?
XK.
X.
Okay, this is the T code, sir.
This is the T code xk04.
Okay, okay, sir.
So any idea for changing?
So actually changing in the sense?
If you do any changes, suppose you do some wrong, means you do first initial step, you make some what you call payment terms you initiated, but afterwards after that the organization informed to change that particular payment terms. So how I have to do changes, right?
For XK02, sir.
Obviously.
Okay, okay. Oh, understand, sir. Now create, change, and display will be the concept, right, sir?
Yes, yes, same. Wherever you go, next of almost like for PO or as well, same concept. Okay,
Okay,
zero
understand,
one for
understand, sir.
create. Okay,
No, 03.
and XK03. Last
XK03.
class we seen T code for material
Create
master.
material.
There it is MM01, MM02, MM03.
Okay.
So here also you create, change, display.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, once if you created. Okay, now you want to see that something list, right? Vendor list, what are the particular criteria, what are the vendors I created, right? So for
Yes, sir.
that T code, I have MKVZ,
MKVZ is for which vendor we have created.
vendor list.
Okay.
Okay, so first I will show, after that I will show the deletion and unblocking. Okay, this concept is understand, right?
Yes, sir. This one I understand, sir.
So this is T code. Okay,
Okay, sir.
T code, by using the T code we are creating. Okay.
Mm.
So first I will go to SAP screen. Okay. So what normally user and consultant end user will do is, end user they will go here easy access, right? You're
Okay.
seeing easy access. They will
Okay.
come to logistics. Okay. Then
Okay.
material management, purchasing, purchase order.
Okay, and then create. Create.
No, 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 not purchase order. What wait? Wait, purchasing. Then you go for master data. Okay,
Okay, sir.
there you find vendor. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
then come to centrally xk01. Okay,
Okay,
means
sir.
see mk0, don't confuse, and we are not using, don't bother that. I will tell you afterward once if you are perfect. Okay, now you will
Okay.
only concentrate for xk01. This is
Okay, sir.
central,
Okay.
means
Okay.
in this particular using T code. Okay,
Okay.
you can in the same screen you can see the general data or configure general data,
Sir,
configure
come back,
data.
sir. Come back, sir. I am little things.
Sorry.
No, come back to the screen, sir. Now we have to go to create purchase and central, sir.
Central.
No, master data in
I will come
logistics part,
again.
right, sir?
I will come
Logistics
again.
material management.
First easy access you will come, right?
Okay, okay.
Then you will drop down the SAP menu.
Yeah, okay, I understand. So logistics,
See, logistics execution is there, production is there. I don't want required. Sales and distribution also not required.
materials management.
Materials management. Okay.
Okay.
In materials management, see, so many things are there. for
Yes, sir.
trade, valuation, physical inventory, inventory management. I have
Yes,
to
sir.
go for purchasing.
Purchasing.
Okay.
Okay.
In that purchasing, I have to go for master data.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Understand. And then purchasing.
Then you can get a info record, source list, quota arrangement, vendor evolution. But now present we require,
Vendor.
okay, vendor
Okay.
in the central.
Okay. Okay. This part, sir. Central
So
part.
xk01 is there, create.
X, sir.
xk02 is change.
Mm-hmm.
xk03 is display.
Okay.
Okay, xk06, 5 and 6 I will discuss later. Okay, after this.
Okay, sir.
So this is what end user will go and search this particular T code. But as a consultant, what you have to do is
XK01.
slash n xk01.
01.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the initial screen.
Okay. Okay.
What is there in the initial screen? Create vendor.
Vendor.
Right. I have
Yes,
to
sir.
create vendor.
Yeah.
Here I don't know vendor. I am
Yeah.
creating means how I came to know that vendor numbers. So it will be blank.
Okay.
Now I have to come to company code.
Okay. Let's consider ZA11, sir. What?
Yeah, Z11. See, now company code is come to picture, right? If you're not creating the company code, I can't move to any master data. Why it is required?
Because already we have created company code.
Yeah. What is that company code?
ZA11.
ZL
21, 21. ZA 21.
21. Okay.
11 is
ZA,
company.
yes, yeah. ZA21.
Okay. Now you know, right? Company code you entered.
Z, 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 not J.
Okay. ZA. Purchase organization ZA
ZA31.
31. Right? You entered company code, purchase organization, vendor required. So I will put it as a blank.
Okay.
Now, if I come to
ZA,
account group,
Darshan, ZA 31 is not purchase organization. Sorry to interrupt you because you will get an error, right?
yeah,
ZA 51, I think. Because 1 is company, 2 is company code,
ZA51 is purchase organization.
3
Yes.
3 is plant, 4 is storage location, 5 is purchase organization.
okay. So ZA51 is purchase organization, right?
Yeah, that is yeah fifth topic, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then fine. Now coming to account group.
Okay.
Okay. So before creating vendor, okay,
Mm-hmm.
when you are creating the vendor, you have to inform the system what type of account group this vendor will come.
Okay.
This vendor will assign to this account group. Means what exactly account group means? There is a some particular vendor which are in same group.
Okay, sir.
So I can assign like suppose domestic vendor or international vendor, right? There are
Okay.
group of vendor. I can same characteristics or same payment. I make it as a group. Okay. So
Group.
like
Okay.
that they will create.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So in this particular case, we will go for KRED. It is a standard one.
What is it? K?
KRED.
Cred.
Okay, when during the configuration, we can show by copying this account group, we
Okay.
can create as a domestic vendor or international vendor.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay, so here also I will type.
So,
So
that is common, sir, even in real time, KRED.
KRED means they will copy and make it as Z.
Okay.
So vendor types, okay, normally vendor types you have standard vendor, okay,
Customize.
and one-time vendor.
Okay. Okay.
Vendor again domestic, international.
International.
What is one-time vendor? Any idea?
One time vendor is like a permanent one, sir, a constant.
I think you are opposite side. Means
One.
one time. Means you required, means the name. See, just think name one time vendor. This any answers, Arvind?
One time vendor.
No, just think it. One
Okay.
divide into like one time vendor.
Taking help. No, no.
No, no, no worries. See, one time vendor means in your organization you will roughly means one time you will use it and again next time maybe there is a very less chance.
Okay.
Suppose what happened, I can give one example. Okay, in your organization, you are having in something called water tank.
Okay.
Maybe roughly 5 years or 6 years once you can call that vendor and you can. But
Okay.
again and
Okay.
again, you are not calling the vendor for cleaning your water tank or
Oh,
this
understand,
type of
understand, sir. One
activities.
time vendor. Okay, okay.
But
I
standard vendor,
mean,
it is not like that. You
okay,
are
okay, sir.
means you are keep on giving purchase order, he is supplying the raw material, you are utilizing this raw material. Again, you will raise one purchase order giving to this vendor. So it's like
Okay, okay.
standard vendor.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It's variation, domestic or international. That okay. But one time vendor means you will use only one time.
Okay, sir. Right, sir.
Rough again and again, very less chance. Okay,
Less
this
chances.
is
Okay.
the two vendor types.
Okay,
So
okay, sir.
now when you are creating the particular vendor in SAP screen, we
Okay.
will assign, we will means we inform the system, please assign this vendor to this particular group.
Okay.
Okay, this
Nice.
configuration part we will next in the next classes we can take it.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, sir.
now for right now you just remember KRID. I will show the one time
Your
vendor
ID or ED, sir?
ED.
ED. Okay, okay.
See, if you want someone, see someone have configured as 250 sir, one time vendor.
Okay.
So like that you can make it as for raw material one group vendor or
Okay,
finished
okay.
means sub finished or something, you make a group.
Okay, okay.
But for every group you will take this as a standard.
Fine,
Okay,
sir. Okay.
you will take it as a standard as KRED. Okay, I will make it as XKRED for domestic and YKRED.
For international.
I think 4 letters. Sorry. Just you can take it as YKRE and XKRE.
Oh,
So international. Like that, they will do the configuration based on the business process. But they will copy it. This is the standard one.
okay, okay.
SAP standard. Any
Okay, sir.
doubts?
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt in this.
Because see, now you entered company code. Okay, system accept it. Purchase organization, system accept it. But next question is, what type of vendor you required? It's a one-time
Okay.
vendor or as per your business, what type of vendor required, then you have to come and you have to give.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Right, sir. Right.
So just I will click enter.
So
Okay.
even if the fields are not filled, it will accept, right, sir?
No, it will give an error, right?
Uh-huh. But still, below bottoms, you have not cleared, right, sir?
No, that is this thing, right? So if you want, I will show you. See what is their reference.
Okay, okay,
Means I having a one means suppose one vendor, okay. The
okay,
payment terms, everything is same. What the
okay.
organization will do, they will copy this particular vendor company code purchase organization.
Oh, same thing they'll copy.
Same they copied and they change tax code or any means mainly they will change the address.
Okay, okay, sir.
Everything is same. Tax, payment terms, everything. But they have to instead of doing all the things, they will copy here. Okay. Only they
Okay,
will
sir.
change the vendor name, address, email ID.
Okay, okay.
So right
Right.
now for creating, I require this much of information. Why I leave the blank?
Because that is not known.
Yes. So
Okay.
I will just press enter.
Okay.
So this is the
Vendor address.
next coming screen. Okay, vendor address. Okay. First, what
Okay.
is their vendor? You're seeing right vendor.
Yes, sir.
What is that? Internal.
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 Okay.
See, internal means, again I will tell you in the material master data how the number range means you can give your own number also or system will propose.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
So right now what happened in the account group, I will show you one minute. So for this account group what happened, they assigned the number range as internal means they telling that to system only propose that number.
Okay.
So that's what internal means, the system.
Okay, sir. All right,
If it
sir.
is coming external means you have to
Mm-hmm.
propose.
Okay. Okay. So internal automatically system will generate and external I have to
Yes, the
generate.
system automatically generate one number and it will give it in the, once if you give maintain all the details, all the fields, it will give. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So normally all the business they will go for internal, but some companies they will go for external. Okay.
Okay. Okay,
This
sir.
part is cleared.
Okay.
And this is don't bother preview and all these things. It will give after filling. I will show you. Okay. Now I
Okay.
will come to title. If I go for title, you just see that company, doctor, Mr. Mrs.
Mrs. will take. Company will be given as Mrs.
No, this is not like Missouri or what we called it. It's not like that. Mr. MS or DR means, okay,
Okay.
this SAP is not related for the module. Some
Okay.
this SAP they can use for the hospitals or some other business process also.
Okay. Okay.
So if you give an example for hospital, vendor will come in the name of Mr.
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh.
Right?
Mister. Okay.
Okay. And I will give you one more general example. Now your organization is running in one building, right? Or you they
Ye-
are procuring one warehouse,
No, we have factory, sir.
factory. Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
So so many times they will means there is a particular owner, they will construct that factory and they will give for lease or some what we call rental. Are you
Rental.
agreed?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
In some small scale industries you can take small or mid some area or warehouse actually he is owned and he is giving for lease or rent for the organization.
Okay. Okay.
Agreed.
Agreed. Agreed, sir.
So he don't have any company.
Okay.
Instead of what we have to create, instead of creating going for company, I will go to Mr. I will type it as Arvind and all the
Okay.
details. Okay. Then
Okay.
I will raise the same PO to finance regarding I mentioned that this is a warehouse rental, they will pay it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
But now I will take company. Now you know why this the doctor, Mr. Mrs. Still have
It's
doubt.
not. No. 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 No doubt, sir.
It based on business to business, right?
Okay. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like I give example for warehouse, you can go for Mr. Because that particular guy don't have company, right? How we will create a based on company? So I will go for Mr. and I will do further inputs.
Okay,
But
sir.
right now I will go for company name. I can give it as AV Arvind Traders.
Okay, sir.
Okay for you.
KB traders.
If you are having long name, it will come to the second step. Search term I will give AV. Okay.
Okay.
You can give any address it will take. Street I will go and postal code I will 123321. Okay, I will not
Okay.
waste my time here. I will give the address as Mysore. Country I will take India. Okay, we also same practice like that, don't waste time here, huh? Filling
Okay.
all
Okay.
these things. Okay, I will give region as 10 and okay, So this all we called as general data. See, language, you want email ID also, you can get it, you can give here. Understand?
Okay, sir.
This is all come under the general data. Okay.
Right, sir.
Now the next part, see, customer, trading, partner, tax number. Just if you go for Excel, what is that? After filling the general data,
Company code data.
who will do it?
Finance consultant, sir.
Finance consultant, right? So why should I bother? They will fill it, right?
Yes, sir.
And don't what is tax number? No, nowhere they will ask you. Okay. So once you
Okay,
enter,
okay.
just click enter. Okay. Here also asking bank account, bank details not required. Finance team will take care. So I will go for press enter. Here there is a one reconciliation account. This is also maintained by FI team, but during our practice session, I'm repeating, okay. This is
Okay,
also
okay, sir.
taken by finance team, but right
Okay.
now we are in doing practice section, so we have to give or maintain the reconciliation account. So what is reconciliation account? Why I have to mention this 16,000 means with the help of the reconciliation account, okay, it will fetch the GL account. From that GL
No,
account,
no, I
it
didn't
will
get reconciliation, sir.
reconciliation.
Means what is that, sir?
Yeah. So you see, you have any, if you're getting any doubts, okay, just
Okay.
put a cursor and press F1. See,
Okay.
reconciliation account in general ledger. What does it mean? Means you have to make the payment to vendor, right?
Yes, sir.
Finally, once if you receive, you have to make the vendor to payment. So reconciliation account, I put it as a short form. Okay. So once the goods received, got it right? Once you goods
Okay,
received,
sir.
what you will do? You will make the payment.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Payment to vendor.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So this reconciliation account, okay, in
Okay.
finance and what happened, this will helpful to get GL account.
Okay, sir. Okay. General ledger account.
GL account.
Okay, sir.
Because everything it will be automatic. Once the goods received, then once if you make the invoice, okay, when we pay
Okay.
the payment, the SAP system only fetch the GL account, which account from the which account GL account they have to make the payment to vendor.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So reconciliation is, it is a bridge, you can say bridge
Okay, sir.
between the payment to vendor or goods payment to vendor or to GL account.
Right, sir.
Again I will repeat, okay. So reconciliation account which helps to fetch the GL account. From this
Okay.
GL account,
Okay.
the vendor get the payment.
Okay.
It's
Okay, sir.
more than enough. Okay, don't go in a deep. It is a
Okay.
taken care by FIT. Again, I am
So that
repeating.
will help a payment for the vendor.
First, it will search the particular GL account.
Okay.
General ledger account means in SAP what happened, GL account will maintain for each and everything. GL account 1. This is for payment, vendor payment.
Payment. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
GL account 2. This is for customer payment receivable.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Customer you will receivable, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like that. Another one is GL3. General ledger account 3, that is for some other case, but right now for vendor payment reconciliation account is required. Why? Because it fetch from the particular GL account. From that GL account it will helpful to make the payment to vendor.
Vendor. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so this is
Okay.
all taken care by finance.
Finance team.
Okay, so If I give F1, it will give the all the basic details. If you have time, just read it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Right, sir. I'll go
Come to
through
know,
that.
right? Once if you are having any doubt, just put a cursor F1.
F1.
Then it will give some basic information.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. So
Done, sir.
reconstruction account I maintained. So like that, one more mandatory field, cash management group. Just
Group.
it and select it. This also taken care by finance.
Okay, sir.
Because in the main screen it is showing accounting information. Accounting means who will? You are MM consultant, then why you are bothering?
Okay, okay. I understand, sir.
I will press enter.
Okay, okay, sir.
So if I give press enter, the system will take, but payment terms, I told you, right? What type of payment terms, like 30 days or 40 days,
Okay,
something standard is there. I will select as payable immediately due net, means immediately I am making the payment.
okay, okay,
This is
sir.
also taken care by accounting, means finance.
Okay, okay, sir.
Can I press enter?
Yes, sir.
Dunning
Yes, sir.
procedure, I
Done
told
in
you, right?
procedure. Yes, sir.
This also who will take care?
Dunning procedure will be taken by finance only, sir.
Yes. See, 4 level dunning every 2 weeks, means once if they are not making the payment vendor, that message will flow to the organization, like you will not make the payment, you will not make the payment, like
So
that. Huh?
they'll receive mail, sir.
Yes, organization only received.
Okay, okay, sir.
If you want, you can click press one enter. So dunning procedure to view. What is dunning procedure means?
A predefined procedure specifying how customers or vendors are done. How done levels, dunning frequency, amount limits, text for dunning notices.
See here you will tell dunning frequency, number of dunning level, dunning frequency, minimum amounts and dunning activities.
Okay, okay, sir.
So this is like reminders. That's all. You also see again in the above screen what is that correspondence accounting. So again it is taken care by finance. I will just press enter. Hmm. Now what is the main screen?
Purchasing data.
Right? So
Yes, sir.
purchasing data, you will get it. First purchasing organization. Where it is maintained?
But
ZF 51.
that comes in purchasing, sir.
In the initial screen, when you are creating the initial screen, right? At that time it will come, right? Here, purchasing organization.
Okay.
From there itself it is coming. Now,
Okay.
any confusion?
No, no, actually, this one I didn't get, sir. This purchasing organization from where you were asking, sir?
No, when we are initial, what is the T code for creating the vendor? XK01.
XK01.
This screen will come.
Okay, okay.
I will maintain company code.
Okay. Oh, this page will come, initial screen.
Edited. Year I maintained, right? 51.
Uh-huh.
From there itself it is passing.
Okay, sir. Now I understand, sir. Understand.
Okay. Order currency. What type of currency? Again,
INR.
completely depends on MM. See, purchasing data, you have to take care.
Okay, sir.
Order currency. What type of currency? You will do the transaction with vendor.
INR.
I can take INR.
Okay, sir.
Here also you can mention terms of payment. Here also we have to maintain, or already they maintained, right? Finance. So it will
Yes.
come. It will come to the PO. One.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is INCO terms?
No idea, sir. Internal
Right.
Inco terms.
Just
Internal company terms.
huh?
Is that in internal company
No.
terms, sir?
No. INCO terms means it is in standard. Okay. What are the
Okay.
INCO? What are INCO term means something INCO terms? Suppose EXW. It is like standard terminology which we used all over the world.
Okay.
So in order to understand
Okay.
where we have to get the goods.
No, sir. No, still I didn't get, sir.
Okay. See, Incoterm means suppose I mentioned in the
And you
PO.
talking about international level, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
So there is a X warehouse or X something, it is there.
Okay.
Okay, by using that EXW, it's a one Incoterm example.
Okay.
By using that Incoterm, it is easily recognized. If you send PO to any world, any part, they can
Mm-hmm.
easily understand what is Incoterms and what exactly they have to do. Means,
Okay.
suppose there is an Incoterm called X warehouse, EXW.
Okay. Okay.
This is X warehouse means if you mentioned EXWO, okay, it is same, it will reflected to in the PO.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Then the PO will send to the vendor, right?
Okay. Okay. Fine,
By
sir. Right.
seeing this vendor, what you will understand, okay, the particular goods required to the particular warehouse, X warehouse, EXW.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So these are all Incoterm is a standard thing which is used all over worldwide.
Okay. Okay.
You send PO anywhere by mentioning EXW.
Okay. So
Okay,
EXW is a common for the entire world.
entire world. So it is
Oh.
a that's what it is Incoterm. So many three-digit terminology will come, but most of the time we are using X warehouse.
Okay. Okay, sir.
If you want any doubts, again, I can come to this particular screen. See, commonly used trading term.
Okay.
Agreed. Commonly
Okay,
used
sir.
the trading term means all over the world using the same
International
trading term.
Chamber of Commerce.
By
Okay, sir.
this will given by International Chamber of Commerce.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is the
Okay, sir.
use? Specifically certain internationally recognized procedures.
Okay. That the shipper and the receiving party must
Party must
follow.
follow for the
Should be.
shipping transaction to be successfully completed. Means,
It is like mutual understand agreement,
yes,
sir. Or
obviously, right? It is a worldwide acceptable thing. Means, you
uh-huh.
also know, I am also aware. Then easily
Okay.
understand, I can send the goods correct way. For
Yes,
you
sir. Yeah.
in your organization or in your country using something like AAS, okay, and
Okay.
international terminology is EXW, then how it will understand to vendor?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So I will mention as X warehouse. So I will mention my plant somewhere like Mysore. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is minimum order value?
Order value, say maybe 2 lakhs, sir.
No, how you will telling 2 lakhs?
Like battery. 1 second, sir. I think you got a message, sir, on battery. Something.
Sorry?
I think your battery is down, I think, sir. You got a
No,
message, huh?
no, my battery is full.
No, actually, I got a message on battery.
That is, I think I switched off charging.
Okay, okay, sir.
Any idea what is minimum order value?
Minimum order value. I mean, to create an e-way bill, at least the minimum order value should be 50,000 above, sir.
No, 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 no. Minimum order value which is given to vendor.
Okay.
So I will go for one quantity. Sometimes I require one quantity also. I can go for one quantity. You can go
No,
for
that,
1,000
it's asking
quantity.
value, sir. Order value, sir.
Minimum order value.
Okay.
If you doubt, see
Purchase order.
value specified for purchase order issued to the relevant vendor.
Okay, okay. Fine, sir. Fine. Minimum value specified.
Ah, understood, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
So apart from
Value for one particular product, sir.
sorry,
Oh, value for one single product or overall minimum value, sir?
one value you can give it one for normally one product they will give.
Okay, okay.
Okay, because if they mention something here, then it will be affected to the purchase order. Sometimes you don't know, right, how many quantities. So they will go for minimum. Zero they will
Minimum.
not acceptable. So they will go for one.
Okay.
Okay. Apart from that, see some of the particular things are there, but normally in the standards, these are the things we are not usable.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, don't again go and what is that? Okay, which are the important things, and 90-95% all the business process they are following this same thing I am explaining. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir.
sales data you can give it, mean salesperson or anything from the vendor part point of view when you required telephone you can give it. Okay, normally
Okay, sir.
it will be blank in the real case also. So
Okay,
main area is control data.
okay,
I told right, GR based invoice verification. This vendor will go through the GR based.
okay,
So I will take GR based invoice verification I required.
okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
This is all relevant field, but right now I am not using. Means I will tell you automatic GR statement means once the good receipt is done, okay, in the system, automatically the system will create the invoice statement. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But right now I am not using. Why? Because once if you tick this indicator, we have to go that for same process,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
automatic evaluated. But in the next further classes, again we have to create one vendor. Again we have to tick these two things.
Okay, okay.
But right now I am not at GR base is the first criteria, so we will tick first one. Okay. What is
Okay, sir.
acknowledgement required? Means
After delivery.
no. Once if you PO is received,
Okay.
the vendor have to give the acknowledgement.
Okay, okay.
I get your PO. I'm acknowledging by verified. Got it, na?
Okay, sir. Right, sir.
You,
Right,
you
sir.
raise the PO. PO is sent to the vendor through mail or something. Okay.
Okay,
For
sir.
that thing, once it is received, he will give confirmation. I received this. Your PO.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
There is a one more concept: automatic purchase order. Means
Okay.
normally we will create manually, means by using T code and we will create it. Okay.
Okay,
One
sir.
process. Second process is okay by using this vendor master data and material master data.
Okay.
This information flow to purchase requisition.
Okay. Why it goes, sir?
See, when you are creating purchase requisition, when you are creating, right? Any idea when you will create purchase requisition?
Sir, actually, when we get order from the management,
Right.
so the purchase requisition will be sent to purchase department, higher management, and
Hmm.
they will verify, and then we have to send the request.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
So what happened once if you giving the purchase requisition, right?
Okay. Okay.
Once if it is approved, there is a once particular in SAP system one particular T code.
Okay.
By using that T code, I can create that purchase order automatically
Okay. Okay. Using that code.
using T code. In SAP, there
T
is a
code.
one provision is there.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Otherwise, what I have to do, I have to go for the particular T code purchase order screen. Huh?
Okay, sir.
I will choose one purchase order. Okay, just for your information. See, this is the purchase order I created. Okay.
Okay.
See, I filled all the details one by one. See, I
Okay.
created one vendor, I put it. Then organization data will come. See, purchase organization I entered, purchase group I entered, purchase code I entered.
Okay. Okay.
So these are the things. Little bit the user takes some time. Okay, in
Mm.
some cases, what happened? They will do go for automatic purchase order.
Purchase order.
Okay.
Right, sir.
Right
Right,
now
sir.
I will not go because this is again one more process I will show in the next further coming classes.
Okay. Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, if I tick on this, I have to like follow step by step. So I can't initially you teach the basic things. So
Okay.
that's
Okay.
why I just tick on the GR based invoice verification. In the coming classes, you come to know that why, where I have to take this automatic purchase order and all these things.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
So just you have to understand these small things, okay?
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Then subsequent settlement means, suppose if a vendor sending more goods or less goods, I have to do some subsequent settlement. There is a one provision in the SAP. Okay,
Okay.
we have to do some adjustment.
Okay, sir. Fine.
For this vendor is for this particular vendor, it required, you can tick it or not required.
Right, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
apart from that, these are all, see, if vendor means everything, you will have to be like know all these things, right? So these are all basic things you have to know, but these are the things, very rare cases they are using, Arvind.
Okay, sir. Okay.
90-95% they are using from first to this up to subsequent. These are all like based on their business and very rare cases.
Fine,
I
sir.
told you,
Fine.
right? Returns vendor.
Yeah, yeah. When the material is damaged, we'll return it to
You
the vendor.
understand? So this vendor is eligible, then you have to put tick. Right
Okay,
now,
sir.
I
Okay.
tick only one vendor.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Now next, coming to next point is purchasing group. Okay, purchasing group. Any idea what is purchasing group?
Maybe department, sir.
Yeah, there is a group of people. They are doing. They are planning to means create a PO or procuring. They are taking the what you call reference and all this is means purchasing group is a group of people. They are dedicated for that particular material.
Okay, okay.
Okay, don't confuse with purchase organization and purchase group.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
purchase organization, it's like a one department which is in like mm, how I can say, purchase organization is a type of a department which is capable or which is they're doing to purchasing the items.
Okay.
But purchase group is a group of people.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
In
don't
the
confuse.
department, group of people.
Sorry.
I mean, in the department, it a group of people.
In a department, group of means you having one purchase department in your industry, in your organization, right?
Yes, sir.
But there is 3 to 4 people, they are sitting for purchasing activities. One guy
Yes,
is
sir.
taking for only raw material.
Okay.
One purchasing group is
Okay,
only
okay, sir.
responsible for
Understand, sir.
semi-finished
Understand.
goods.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So planned delivery, maybe vendor we will give like after 3 days or 2 days, he will deliver.
Okay, okay.
Confirmation control key. This is the most important thing. Okay, right now I will not select. We have to give shipping
Shipping notice.
notification 00. What does it mean? Means once if you give the confirmation control key, the vendor will inform to the particular organization, I am sending the goods by this day, this time. Please arrange.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is by helping by using this confirmation control key, we can achieve the
Delivery, sir.
yes, we can achieve means normally what happened in the at least when we deliver the goods in your in their particular area. Suppose vendor is located in Mysore,
Okay.
okay, and I am located, organization is located in Bangalore.
Okay.
Once if you put in the goods to the train or vehicle,
Okay.
he
We
will
have to send.
immediately messaged to
Okay.
the organization. The vehicle is ready. Now it is moving to your particular address. Be capable with cranes if required or labors if required.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, place arrangement. What are the arrangement they have to do? They have to take like that. They will send some information.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So confirmation control key very important. One question from particular that this particular area.
Fine, sir. Fine, fine.
I think if you see shipping notification means order. See acknowledgement is different. Okay, acknowledgement means PO is received. Yes, I received. If it is not received, no. but confirmation control key is different.
It determines which confirmation categories are
Category are
expected for a
expected
PO
for a
item.
PO item means what PO item line item you mentioned the material.
Okay, okay.
Okay. If you inform it will give more information. But understand right? It will come
Yes,
in
sir. Yes, sir.
facts. Okay. Again, I am telling you, acknowledgement is different. Where we maintain
Okay.
this acknowledgement, I will show you. Here there is a one.
That's what the acknowledgement in the sense once they receive, they will verify we have received everything.
No, acknowledgement here. PO is received or not.
Okay.
That information have to be received from vendor. Means you have to be informed of vendor. I received PO or not. But
Okay.
confirmation control key when will it will play means when you are sending the goods.
Okay.
Okay, once if it is activated, you have to send the information. These are the goods I am sending to you. Please,
So
and
again, there is a code for confirmation control, sir.
yes, confirmation control key we normally maintain in shipping this one.
Shipping notification.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So apart from this, no other points. This all it will not come with measure group, routing profile. Okay,
Okay.
so don't bother. Only you
We
have
can
to
give save, sir. We can give save. Huh?
no same leave it blank.
Okay.
Only what are the things I informed, right? Give more
No, no. I'm telling
concentration.
to save the data, sir. We can save this data, right, sir?
Yeah, I will save it. I will enter. So next time if I press enter, now it will create a one. This one more thing. Business partner address. Business partner. See partner function. This is a one more process.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Partner address means the end user, sir, the one who.
No, 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 no. Don't think like that. It is just think like it is partner function is come under the vendor. So what is
Vendor.
the meaning of partner? Means sometimes what happened. I will take in the next class, but roughly I will tell you. Okay, what
Okay,
is
sir.
partner function or business partner? Sorry, partner function. Okay, what happened? Some vendors,
Okay.
one vendor, office, Bangalore, right?
Yes, sir.
In Bangalore, I can say MG Road,
Okay.
but its warehouse
Okay.
is located in Pune. Possible or not?
Yes, sir.
At least not for 100 companies, at least one 3 to 4 companies they are doing right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Office is in Bangalore, okay, MG
Okay.
Road, but warehouse due to that particular what you called place constraints,
Okay.
their warehouse is in Pune.
Pin. Yes, sir.
So in SAP we have a provision. What we will do, we will create a PO. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we will send to the vendor office address. Okay,
PO. So why PO was sent via address, sir, to office address?
no, this is office, right? Main office.
Okay. Main office.
Okay, and warehouse is in Pune.
Pinya. Okay.
Now you understand, right? Your organization will raise the PO. PO will go to vendor office address.
Okay. Fine. Fine. No, in that way.
Okay, but you will mention in the PO one more address for this warehouse also.
Okay.
Mm, I can give the best example is suppose if you think like that. Uh,
The same like Amazon delivering
Amazon
good.
best.
Okay, sir.
So Amazon main office.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, in Bangalore MG Road. But
Okay, sir.
Amazon warehouse is
Pinya.
in Pune. So in that, when we are creating the PO, we have an option. Okay, by with the help of the partner function.
Mm-hmm.
With the partner help function,
Partner function.
so with the help of the business partner function, okay, we
Okay.
can we can assign this both the address,
Main office address and warehouse address.
warehouse address also, with the help of the partner function.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
It is a case, right? Because so many cases their office is in Delhi, but warehouse is in somewhere in Mumbai.
Mumbai.
So what they will do, they will raise the PO with with the help of partner function.
Partner
They will
function.
raise the main office address also, and
Okay.
also this thing.
Understand, sir.
So there it will come, okay, and we will give same one number. Number will generate it, but
Mm-hmm.
every partner function same we have to create like a vendor itself.
Sir, in
Me-
this partner P, in that, yeah, in that, what we have to mention, sir?
Like there is a one ship, what you called, there's a, some standard is there, yeah. Uh, I think ship to party, sold to party, it will come to sales point of view. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In our case, vendor, VN. Okay. Means
Okay.
he is the one who is taking care of PO. That means once he will receive the PO and he will send a goods. Okay, VN suppose. When it is
Okay.
come to supplier, SP something it will come, short form. Supply means
SP.
he is only sending the goods.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, it's not bothering like PO and all these things. PO and all it will come from the main office. Okay, next class I will go through it. This thing I will take separate class here. Business partner again it will take 1 hour time.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So just leave this blank and see partner address also there. Once you enter, you can maintain the address also. Okay, we can take this class further.
Right,
Okay,
sir.
just if I click enter, oh no,
Enter a valid partner function. Oh, it is.
no, it's if I click enter, see editing will be ended. Means almost all the fields we completed. Should the data will be saved first.
First. Yes, sir.
If you give yes, this internal number will be changed. Sorry,
Okay.
internal will be converted into this number. I will open it. See, vendor 4040100 has been created for a company code. See, initially we
ZA?
selected right, and,
Yeah, yeah. ZA 21. Purchase it.
and with the purchase organization ZA51. So again, I will go to next key code XK02. Okay.
Okay.
Now I come to know that what is the vendor number.
Okay.
Okay. Now what area you have to change? General data area or purchasing
So after
organization?
creating the partner function, this vendor code will create, sir.
No, yes, after creating, once you fill the partner data, then the last screen is, it will ask, right?
Okay.
All the fields are filled, can I save it or not? I put enter, so that's why the number is generated.
Okay. Fine, sir.
Now I come to next T code XK02. Okay.
Changing, sir.
Changing. You want which data? Address, general data. See, I told you, right? General data, company code data, purchasing organization data.
Okay.
You take anything. just for our reference, I will take purchase data instead of terms EXW. Instead of Mysore, I will go for Hassan.
Awesome.
See, edited will be ended. Should the data will be saved first? Yes.
Yes.
If you want to change the address, come to first SK02 only the change. For vendor change, it have a T code will be XK02.
So vendor code will remain same.
Why it will change?
Okay, okay, sir.
For this particular vendor only you are changing, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You first created, now you are changing. If you want to change the address, just select one address here, general data address, enter. Here AV traders is there. If you want, you take AV traders AD private limited. I will just click enter. It will come to another screen and give save.
Okay, sir. Fine,
Can
fine,
I
fine.
move to next T code?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Is it XK04, sir?
No, one I created, two I changed.
No, third one is display.
Three, right?
Yeah, three. Three is display.
Yes. Now see, display vendor initial screen. Okay, in change what I did, I put vendor private limited. See, it is reflecting.
Okay, okay.
So these three codes I printed. Another T code is
XK04, sir.
no.
Sorry, MKV2 VZ.
MKVZ
Oh, to know the entire vendor list.
means for my particular purchase organization.
Okay.
This is my purchase organization, right? ZA51.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just I will execute. See, Arvind AV Private Limited, 100 350 is the vendor.
Okay.
Are you able to see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Able to see.
Mysore group. I told you, right? Accounting group.
Okay.
KRED. Search term. Basic purchase
Actually, we have
organization.
given Hassan, right, sir? We have changed it, right, sir?
I changed Asan, right?
Yeah, yeah. Here it is. Here it is. Uh-huh.
Here, Asan.
Hassan.
Incoterms I
Okay.
changed in the Incoterms, not in the general address.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Any doubts?
No doubt. No doubt, sir. No doubt, sir.
So create, change, display, list.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now I have to block this vendor.
Okay.
Why I have to block this vendor?
So block in the
Getting it?
sense. No, sir.
Why I have to
I mean,
block this vendor? Why you will not give PO to this vendor?
once the thing is done.
No man, you want raw material. No? One time you require raw material.
Yeah.
Again and again you require raw material, right? One time you will get it from vendor, then you will remove from your organization.
No, sir. I will not remove, sir.
See, flag or block, why you will do the to this vendor means you will give a purchase order to vendor, but unfortunately he is not deliver the material to in the right time.
Oh,
One
in that case,
reason.
we have to block him.
Again and again he is giving a poor quality goods,
Okay.
and again his price is increasing.
Okay.
So at that time what happened, I don't want to do the business
With that
for
vendor.
particular period.
Okay. Okay.
So what I will do, slash n xk05.
Okay. To blocker.
Yes, what is there? Block also same T code.
Okay. For unblocking also same T code.
Unblocking also wonder. Now what we are doing first?
Blocking.
So I given all the details. See, system only taking vendor, company code, purchase organization, you will give it, right?
Okay.
Once if you give it, press enter. Now the system is asking for blocking means all company means this particular vendor is supplying the raw material for all the company codes means your company having 2 to 3 company codes
Okay. Okay.
and your vendor supplied for all the company codes. So you have to block all the company codes.
If for selected means we have to select only one or two.
Selected.
Okay, okay. Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. Then again same for all purchase organization
Or
are
selected
selected.
purchaser. Okay.
Once if you select and save it, it will be block. Block means it's a temporarily you are blocking.
Okay.
Once if you are is okay, then he will committed. No sir, I will send
So
a
what is the T code for that, sir? MK?
XK
XK. Okay, XK.
05.
XK05 for blocking.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now the vendor is agreed. Okay, I will send a goods in a right time, and also the price is also somehow I will reduce. Then I have to do the unblock.
Okay, again same code.
So again I will come to XK05. I fill all the details.
Okay, sir.
Enter. I will remove this thing
Okay, sir.
and I will save. Block and unblock is a temporary.
Okay.
One more T code XK06. One more T code is XK06.
06.
Means
What is that, sir?
deletion or
Deletion.
addition. Okay.
Okay.
Deletion of flag for deletion of vendor. What is the difference between flag and deletion means once if you give the deletion, see, again deletion flag means all areas.
Okay.
Okay, a selected company code or
It is
selected
like permanent delete, sir.
means permanently delete means you can't use means how I can say it's not permanently it will not deleted.
Okay.
If I give save also,
Okay.
don't think it is deleted. Again I will come to here and all area means if I apply particular this thing, you can't
Okay.
give means make the payment also.
Okay. Okay.
In this first T code, what happened? XK05.
5.
Block means you can't raise the PO for this vendor.
Okay. Okay. Once it is blocked, yeah, we cannot raise.
Raise the vendor, but somehow is already he submitted some means he delivered some goods, right?
Yes.
For that there is a invoice, so you can make the payment.
Okay. Okay.
But once if you come to XK06, okay,
Okay,
if
sir.
you make deletion for all entries, you can't create PO also, and you can't
For all the company codes.
company codes and also purchase organization. All areas means it's applicable for company code, purchase organization, everything it will take.
Okay. Okay, sir.
And also you will not make the payment.
Done, sir. Done, sir. Understand, sir.
That is the difference between XK04 and XK05.
Okay. Okay, sir. But
Okay.
almost it is like similar.
Similar XK05, you can PO can't. No PO.
Okay. No PO.
Make payment. Means previous are outstanding.
Okay.
Right? Outstanding means already previously make some delivered some goods. His payment is outstanding. You can do it.
Okay. Make payment outstanding.
You come to XK06, no PO and
No payments.
no payment. It's completely deletion.
Okay, sir.
Got it now?
Okay, sir.
So these are the main T codes. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you can have to be practice. Okay.
Right. Right, sir.
Any doubts? Just clear it. Day tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We are available. Okay.
I'll do, sir. I'll do one more from beginning again. I'll come. So I'll if any doubt again, I'll ask him to,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So just I will give a overview. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
today's just we seen how to create a vendor master data. Okay.
Okay.
So normally vendor master data we can segregate into three types. One is general data and one
Only
is
code data.
and purchase organization. General
Okay.
data, yes, sometimes consultant will do vendor name, address and all these things, but we will not go to company code data. Why? Because
Okay.
a finance consultant will take care.
Okay, I saw.
Now come to purchasing data, again it is related to consultant. So there you can maintain the what you call the uh, currency and also the confirmation control key and automatic PO. These are all things we are taken care by the means taken care. Again, one more point, Arvind. This all
Yes, sir.
things you have to know, but you will not create the vendor master data.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any master data. Once if you interact, asked what are the master data you are creating in the SAP system means you one answer is no. I am not
Purchasing.
creating any master data.
Okay, okay.
These are things why we are telling means these are the things it will you have to know because user some will
Sir,
come
at least a purchase organization we are handling no, sir. We are doing that, sir. No?
no, that is also taken care by users.
Users, huh?
But user come and asking what is confirmation control key means what you will tell.
Okay. No, no,
Don't
sir.
confuse.
Actually,
See, these are
no.
all things now what we are doing. It's for your practice.
Okay.
When you are come to real time, these are all taken care by users, end
Okay. Okay.
users.
End users.
Right now, but you don't have a end user right during the practice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You only create, you have to execute.
Yes, yeah.
That's what we are doing all these things. And also you have to know what is GR based verification, what is return vendor. Because sometimes these are the question. Some tickets will depends on this particular things. And also the user will come and ask what is the thing we have to do in the return vendor or confirmation control. At that time point of view, you have to explain.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, right now we don't have any end user. That's what we created general data. We created company code data. We will create that. But in the real time,
Done, sir. Done, sir.
any master data is created by the end users.
Okay. Okay, sir.
If you don't confuse, that's what. But these are the things why it is required means as a consultant, you want to know.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, na? Okay,
Right, sir.
apart from that, there is a two ways. One is easy access also, you can go to T code. Otherwise, consultant, what they will do, they will go for the T code, transaction codes.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So normally in SAP, you can see any change, display and create. There is a last services 010203. Okay. Here also we have XK01, XK02 and XK03.
XK03. Okay, that I understand, sir.
So once if you created vendor based on the purchase organization, what are the vendors required? You have to go for the T code MKVZ.
Okay.
To come
MKVZ.
XK05, XK05, main difference is flag and deletion. Flag you can't create the PO, but you can make the payment. Okay. But once if you give the deletion of vendor, you can't make the payment also, you can't make the PO also.
Okay,
That's
sir.
the one important question. Okay. Apart
Okay.
from that, there is a account group called SAP standard account group. We are using CRED. Based on that CRED, we are copying and we can modify it as per our requirement. Suppose example in my business, I will copy CRED into XKRE. I make it as domestic.
Mistake.
Again, I copied KRED and I will give my name YKRE and I will make as international. But source is
International.
the red CRED.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, coming to reconciliation account, it's just for your information. What is reconciliation means? It will helpful to fetch the GL account to pay the vendor. So partner function, again come to the partner function. Again, it is a different concept. Means suppose if you want to raise the PO with a one vendor address and it will for delivering goods you will raise one more address, then it will come, it will be helpful partner function. So right now we are not discussing anything about partner function because this is another topic and configuration is required. So maybe in the future classes we will discuss this thing.
Okay, sir. Okay. Fine, sir.
Okay. Huh? Any doubts, please?
Definitely, sir. I'll again do, sir. I'll come back and I'll do. And so, if I have any doubt, and again I'll give you a call, sir.
Sure, sure. Okay.
Right, sir.
So we can wind up.
Yeah.
You can
Save this, sir.
understand,
Save
right?
this, sir.
What is concept understanding or still any doubts?
Sorry, sir.
No, you are understanding the concept, right?
Concept is very important, sir. Even by practicing, I can learn everything, but understanding concept is the important, sir.
Okay, okay. So I will share this Excel file also.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay.
So just means vendor. Just you think vendor master means all the vendor information has to be stored in the form of data.
Data. Okay, sir.
Okay. Why it is helpful data means for any further transaction,
Okay.
material master data is also important. Vendor master and also purchase info record source is this type of master data will helpful for the transaction
Done,
activities.
done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, I will share the file. So we can wind up this call.
Done, sir. Done, sir. Anyway, I'll go through, sir. After dinner, I'll go through this and I'll ask any doubts.
Okay, but you take another, I don't know, you take another 2 to 3 days. Okay.